This Route 66 Connect. You know I came from nothing.
Purchase your tracks today.
The gutter. D-boy, she's gonna ride with me. Ban me from the beach, cause I couldn't stop dripping. Pretty ladies with me, ripping grain and now we sipping. Matter of fact.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy, Spank the World. First and foremost, you already know. I hope everybody out there enjoying their day today, man. You know what I'm saying? Here in Akron, we trying to stay warm. Got a little snow out here, baby. You feel what I'm saying? Got a little snow. Oh yeah, man. Ain't too much trouble, man. Get over there and hit that subscribe button for me, man. Trying to get the 2K on them. You feel me? And like I say, this is just gonna be a quick, short video, man. We gonna mess with old sky blue. You feel me? That's all we're here for today, man. Something quick and simple. Gonna sit here and mess with sky blue a little bit, man. You feel me? She right here. You feel me? She right there. But yeah, something quick, man. Y'all seen the last video. We just gonna mess with the radio today, man. We gonna remove the radio that I put in the last video, or the radio video. We gonna remove that one. Like I said, when I was putting it in, that was gonna probably be temporary anyway. So it was, because it's about to come on out, man. It's a cool little Bluetooth radio, and like I said, I only bought it because I need to be able to listen to music through my phone and use my Bluetooth. That's all. And the radio we about to put in is probably gonna be temporary too. I just bought it because I got a deal on it. It only cost me like $45. Couldn't beat that deal. It's brand new, $45. It's one of the floating screens, like a 10-inch screen, floating screen. I don't believe it's like a name brand. It's probably one of the China ones off the internet or whatnot, but you know, it'll probably do the trick for now. Like I said, if I end up deciding to put all my music, you know, like my Bang, my 15s and all the music I got that I'm thinking about doing, if I decide to put all that in here, then it's a wrap anyway. I'm gonna pull this radio I'm about to put in now, I'm gonna pull it out too. Because anytime I run a system, I usually run my systems off a Pioneer head unit. So, and like I say, I got a deal on this one. It's like one of the floating ones, 10-inch screen, touch screen and all that. And only paid $45, so I couldn't beat it. So I'm just gonna throw it in there for now until I decide whether or not I'm gonna put my music in there. And like I say, it's temporary too. And yeah, that's that. So, but it'll do for now, and it'll be better than the radio that's in there. Cause like I say, I don't even know the name brand, but it's a good deal and it's brand new. So it is what it is. And if I decide to put my Bang in here, I'm going Pioneer. You already know that. So that's cool. And like I say, that's all I got y'all here for, man. We're gonna get this head unit installed and see how it turned out. I ain't gonna show y'all the wiring process because I showed y'all that in the last video when I was installing the head unit that's in there. So I ain't gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna get this camera turned around, and I'm gonna end up wiring up the thing. And then once I get the wires wired up, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. And maybe I might bring y'all in the car with me and remove the old one or something like that. But for now, man, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because for now I'm about to just get over here and just wire the radio up, wire the wire harness up. Radio wire harness, whatever you want to call it. Just gonna wire it up real quick. So just stay tuned. Okay guys, so real quick though, I forgot, I wasn't thinking. I do have to get the other wire harness off the radio I got in there now. So that's what I'm about to do real quick. We're gonna get in here and remove this old radio so I can get that wire harness off of that radio, because I gotta use it, obviously. So that's what we're gonna do now. Hold on real quick. We're gonna hop in the car and remove the old radio. Okay guys, so we done got up in sky blue, and I just gotta remove the old radio real quick, and I ain't gonna film all that. If y'all wanna see something like that, y'all can go back to my old video when I installed this radio, and I showed y'all how I remove it and install it and wire it and all that. But I ain't gonna do all that on this one. because y'all already seen it. So let me turn this camera off. I'm gonna remove this radio and get it wired, get the wire harness wired up to the new wire harness. Let's go. Okay guys, moment of truth. I got it wired up. Let's see if it light up. You feel me? Play no game. See if it light up. Power. Y'all ready? Power. Ooh. Got the big screen lit up. We got the big screen lit up. Yes, sir. We got him wired up. It lights up. Work, touch screen work. Big boy. Like I say, this puppy just temporary too, for real. Cause if I throw that music in here, that bang bang in here, I run off Pioneer. This just one of them. Probably came from Amazon or something. Like I said, I only got it for 45 bucks. So it's temporary, but I ain't gonna keep doing this. I ain't gonna keep y'all in here while I'm doing this. I'm just messing with it. I just wanted to plug it in after I wired it up and make sure it worked and cut on. So it worked and cut on. So let me get mounted in and everything. And once it's all the way to complete, then I'll just show y'all the finished product. Okay guys, so that was a success there. That was a good one there. You got that baby mounted, wired up, mounted good. And like anything, y'all know I ran into a couple problems. Only problem I ran into though was the antenna, the stereo antenna that's like behind my dash. It wasn't long enough to reach the radio. I had to plug the radio up first and then put it in the bracket, or else my bracket wouldn't have fit. It's hard to explain. But anyway, I got the bezel anyway. The bezel wouldn't fit around the screen. So what I had to do was put the bezel and the, like the bracket to the radio and everything in first, and then slide the whole radio in. So that was a problem. But the problem I had was the antenna in the car, it wasn't long enough for me to reach the radio and then slide it in. So I had to run I ran an advanced auto parts and got an adapter, which make the antenna longer, and that was it. So like I say, that was it. Plugged it in, bolted right up. And man, I must say, man, it looked good, because that whole space got like a square. You got the square for the radio, and then you got the heat and whatnot settings and your cigarette lighter. But the radio, so big, it covered up the whole square, and it looked like it fit perfect, man. So it turned out good, man. But I ain't gonna talk too much. I'm gonna turn the camera around, light it up, let y'all check it out, man. Turned out good. Let's see how it look. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that baby sit in there flush. That baby sit right in there perfect, baby. That baby sits in there perfect. Y'all can see that. I'm getting no good lighting for real. But if y'all see that, man, that baby in there perfect. I like that. baby sits in there perfect. Get these keys and light it up for y'all. Feel me? Keys and light it up for y'all. There we go. Look how that baby set in there. Hey, copyright. Let me see, I'm gonna talk over this copyright, how I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change that, that's copyright. I don't own the rights to that song. But y'all see that baby lit up. I mean, lit up, there we go. Gotta adjust it, adjust the brightness. Yeah, I ain't about to do all this with y'all on here. I'm gonna mess with it, but like I said, y'all see how it fit in there all perfect and flush. Sky blue, baby, got a little upgrade. I like that. I ain't mad at it. I like that. I ain't mad at it. Sky blue got a little upgrade, people. There y'all have it. Man, hit that subscribe button, man. Sky blue got a little upgrade. There's more to come. You know what I'm saying? Been a lot going on. Your boy been in and out, battling and grinding. Been a lot going on, so I ain't been posting much. Plus the weather, so. But man, we gonna get on it. We gonna get it right. We gonna get it all lined up. Just hit that subscribe button for me. Stay tuned. We got more to come on Sky Blue. Radio turned out good, baby. Big screen. Big screen. Like I said, I'm gonna sit here and mess with it. I'm gonna sit here and dial it in and all that. I ain't gonna do that with y'all on here. I'm gonna let y'all go. Stay tuned. Subscribe.